Hey everybody, welcome to T. Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us. Just want to do a quick channel update for you. I decided I need a vacation. Alright, I've been doing videos for like 2 years straight without a break, and old T. Roy needs a little vacation. So I hope that all of you will understand. I'm going to take some time off. I'll probably be back sometime mid-May doing videos again, and I may throw up some videos sporadically here and there. Like if I do some traveling or something, I may throw up some of those vlog type videos for y'all. So if you're subscribed and you hadn't clicked the little bell icon yet, go ahead and click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. That'll let you know when I got a new video come out. It'll email you, okay? And that way you don't miss anything if I throw something up sporadically. But I'm just going to be doing some chores here around the house, doing some spring cleaning, and hopefully do some traveling. So hope y'all stick with me through this little vacation break, and we'll see y'all here very soon with some new videos coming up. And I can't wait to get back to doing some barbecue this summer. So hope y'all stick around for that. Hope y'all like this. Give me some thumbs up. Please do continue to support old T. Roy. Hope you share the videos, and when you do, please tell all your friends. T. Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody.